The Ceasar Cipher is a substitution cipher where each letter of a given message is shifted by n shifts to the right or left. It was used by Julius Caesar in ancient Rome to encrypt messages for his army by using a left shift of 3. One of the most famous examples of this cipher is called Rot 13, where every letter of the message gets shifted 13 letters down the alphabet. For example, A becomes B, then B becomes C, and so on, for 13 times until the final letter of the ciphertext is N. A ends up as N, B is O, C is P, etc. If you put the word hello into Rot 13, you get URYYB. If you have knowledge that your message is a Ceasar cipher, the easiest way to crack it is to try all possible shifts because there are only 25. You can see here that the ciphertext becomes a real word after 13 shifts. Ceasar ciphers, along with other ciphers, can be found in messages by using frequency analysis. The letter E is the most common letter in the English alphabet, making up approximately 13% of any given text. Other letters, such as T, A, and O, also appear more often than other letters. Using this information, you can compare the frequencies of the letters in the message with the frequencies of the letters in the English alphabet and gain insight into if a cipher was used. If the letter R has a frequency around 13% in the text you are analyzing, then you can check to see if a Rot 13 cipher was performed on the text. Here is how to implement it in code. We create a function that takes in a message and a number to shift it by. Secondly, we initialize our ciphertext as an empty string. Then we loop through each letter in the text we want to encrypt. We get the index of that letter in the alphabet. So, for example, A would be 0. Then we add the shift in the index and apply modulo 26 to get the new index. The mod 26 makes it so that the new index will wrap back past 0 if it is greater than 26. After that, we append the new letter to our ciphertext. And then we just return the result with all the letters shifted. Note that this particular function does not work with lowercase letters and only performs a right shift. We can now just print out our function and verify that it works. To decipher any ciphertext using a Ceasar cipher, you can just shift it by 26 minus whatever shift was used in the first place. In the special case of the Rot 13, the shift is 13 for both the encryption and the decryption. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Ceasar cipher.